I will start by saying that there will always be expenses that we cannot avoid, such as rent, food, or debt. But, if we learn to manage our finances better, we can avoid some unnecessary expenses and free up a significant amount of money in our monthly budget. I'm not suggesting that we should live like a caveman, but that by making some simple changes in our lifestyle, we can save a lot of money. In this video, I will go over 2 things that I would never spend my money on again, and I guarantee that if you eliminate these things from your life, you won't even notice the difference. The first common mistake many people make is trying to impress others. Whether it's buying expensive brand name clothes, a fancy car, or a big house, spending money to impress others is never a good idea. Instead of spending on these things, you should focus on what really matters, your own happiness and financial well-being. The need to socialize is innate in humans, and we all want to have friends and be accepted in our community. However, if your main goal is to impress others, you may be focusing on the wrong people. People who appreciate and value you for your material possessions are not the people you want in your life. Instead, you should surround yourself with people who love you for who you are, not for what you have. In addition, spending money to impress others can lead to a life of debt and financial problems. You may feel pressure to maintain a lifestyle you can't really afford, which can lead to stress and anxiety. Instead of focusing on what others think, you should focus on your own financial needs and building a secure and stable financial future. Therefore, instead of spending money to impress others, you should focus on saving for your own financial future. By doing so, you will be able to enjoy a more comfortable and secure life without having to worry about how to pay bills or maintain an expensive lifestyle. Number 2 on the list of things you shouldn't spend your money on is gambling. Many people find gambling exciting and fun, and are tempted to spend large amounts of money on it in the hope of winning a big prize. However, this is one of the worst ways to spend money. Even if you get lucky and win at a game of chance, it's unlikely to be enough to make up for all the losses you've had over time. Most people who play in casinos or buy lotteries lose more than they win. Gambling is a business for the companies that offer it, and it is very difficult to beat the odds against you. In addition, gambling can become a dangerous habit that can ruin your financial and personal life. Many people become addicted to gambling, which can lead to massive financial losses, legal and social problems, and other serious problems. Therefore, instead of spending your money on gambling, it is better to invest it in something that has a more guaranteed and stable return. You can invest in yourself, in your education and skills to improve your career or business, or in assets such as real estate or mutual funds. These are safer and more profitable long-term options than gambling. Proverbs 13 verse 11 Money that is ill-gotten is soon spent, but he who saves will grow rich little by little. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. See you next time.